This is the Panasonic SD85 turntable record player. And yeah, I don't know much about record players. It worked earlier. Work, daggone it. Let me see that. Just a little ring here. It's broke. It's like a little plastic piece. What's the secret here? Go down and play. You can do it. You did it before. Nah, it's my fault. There we go. It's 2001: A Space Odyssey. There's a crack. The dust cover is probably in the worst shape. Speakers are not included, of course. So this unit will be for sale on eBay. User ID Fast Eddy, FAST-EDY. Or if you're interested, you can contact me directly. Interested in buying it, of course. Let's get this thing turned all the way around. The balance works. Bass and treble, volume. These are lit up, of course. We got stereo, auto, FM, AM, phono, and tape. Tune dial. I've cleaned this thing with a toothpick and Q-tips. That was the only spot of dirt I've missed so far, right there at the arm. And this piece is broke, but I'll put it back on there. So that concludes the Panasonic SD85 for sale on eBay. And if you wanted to just check it out, this is it. So thanks for watching.